Why Venezuela is once again fighting for freedom. You already know that back in 1811, Simon Bolivar led the fight for Venezuela's independence, and his forces won that fight in 1821. But did you know that Venezuela is fighting for their freedom once again? What happened? Once one of Latin America's most prosperous countries, Venezuela is now in economic and political crisis. President Nicolas Maduro, who took office after Hugo Chavez died, began to unravel the economy with corruption and mismanagement. Juan Guaido has claimed to be the interim president and wants Maduro to step down. Guaido has the support of the U.S. and European Union. In 2013, Nicolas Maduro assumed the presidency, very authoritarian. 2014, violence erupts amidst food, water, and medicine shortages. 2017, opposition leader denied right to challenge presidency, protests left 66 dead. 2018, Maduro re-elected despite claims of fraud, more protests and deaths. 2019, U.S. sent aid to the people, but Maduro blocked it. The future of Venezuela is still unknown. In 2020, several former U.S. soldiers were arrested and jailed there for taking part in a coup to overthrow Maduro. Human rights violations continue, including deprivation of life, torture, and forced disappearance. Over 5 million people have fled Venezuela. Click here to see a video of some who left the country seeking food and medicine. Outbreaks of COVID have threatened an already weak healthcare system. Ponder this. How does the current fight for freedom compare to the independence movement of 1811? What do you think will happen in Venezuela? What evidence do you have to support your answer?